Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by washing your hands and clearing a flat, dust-free workspace. You want no lint or oils. Power the Nothing Phone 1 and open a white or neutral image at about 50% brightness so imperfections show. Peel the protector backing just enough to expose the top edge. Hold the protector by its sides to avoid fingerprints. Position the top edge to the camera and speaker cutouts using the included alignment frame or guide stickers. Once positioned, lower the protector slowly toward the screen to begin adhesion. With the protector barely touching, check alignment again. Make sure cutouts match the front camera, speaker, and sensor windows. Small shifts now are easy. Press the center of the protector to start bonding, then use a soft squeegee or a wrapped credit card to push air and bubbles outward toward the edges in straight strokes. If a noticeable dust speck is trapped, carefully lift the nearest edge with a fingernail or tape. Remove the particle with the dust sticker, then reapply slowly and resqueegee. Take your time for an even seal. After smoothing, press along all edges to ensure full adhesion and wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth to remove any remaining oils. Inspect under bright light at different angles to confirm there are no trapped particles or lifted corners. Small edge bubbles often disappear over 24 to 48 hours. If a stubborn bubble won't move, lift the nearest corner slowly and reapply while removing dust with the sticker. If the protector was damaged or badly misaligned, replace it, don't force a poor fit, and risk screen damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.